of course, I started working on this one, and I forgot to put I put in the my time to put in your, anyway. I'm going to make this again so we can review it. And this is for arriving the world without over for of over explanation or explaining. So this is important. Over explanate and explaining. And sometimes people do this when you're out, going into your um, uh, in your store or somewhere else, and they start doing some strange ideas around you. So this is for more evasion. Oh no, this is emotional, practical, emotional plus practical. So this is important to kind of look at it. You don't owe people explanation. This is really important. So the people don't have to explain anything to you, where, why. They don't have to. No, no, and no. Sometimes I was in another store. I was just looking around and just waiting, and I was looking at a few things, and this guy, I guess, might have been part of management, and got concerned that I was walking around. I said, no, sorry, I was waiting for someone coming. So I'll be out in a few minutes. So the place I will be open. I'll be gone. So it was sure that you are not in the wrong. You're doing your wrong thing, but this is also, I'm fine. I'm looking for someone. I'm waiting for them to get in. So, so you just have to do it, be yourself, and just, nobody has to start to do anything against or negative towards you. So that's really important. Um, how to set boundaries, boundaries, bound, boundaries in public. so, so that's a little complicated for me. Boundaries. So that's important. How to set those. And, yours. These are your boundaries in public. So you need to just be yourself and know what you need and where you're going, and that is that is great, because sometimes you know um, public ones will walk around and they'll say, oh, I need that place, and that I need this piece right here, and this person is moving them. So they want to push you, and it's like, no, wait a minute. So sometimes I have put in um, a little card at the back of my wheelchair, and it says clear, it says, please do not push me with a wheelchair, or do not touch me please do not much or push the wheelchair, so something that makes, it's clear for them to know not to be pushing me around, because they think that they're supposed to do that. I was like, no, stop it. so so you have to be careful with those kind of things. So handling handling awkward questions calmly. So handling awkward, handling, questions calmly. So that can see sometimes if you're going to the wall chair, or you're going look for CVS or places where you need to pick up some medical stuff, and you need to ask one of uh, the people there to ask you if you need to ask them to pick them up with something. So it might be a little personal. It might be a little personal. So you want to look at those guys, and they can help you out. So not to feel awkward about doing that, just being calmly when you need. So does that make sense? Yeah, I would say so. Yeah. Choosing peace over proving a point. So sometimes we get a little complicated or try to make something complicated when it's not needed. So, just choosing a peaceful person. That's it. Calm, not a problem. So choosing that peace time is you're fine. You know what you're doing. You know what you need to ask for. All those kind of things. Sometimes you go to pharmacy or something, and picking up a bag or something that is right there, not a problem. So you don't have to prove. Nobody has to prove you of any kind of point of any kind. So, and you don't need to prove anything. They don't need to prove you. Maybe they might want to check your ID or something for your in your area, that need to look at your where you're going to put on your money or your card or whatever. So they need to make sure. So other than that, you don't need to, you don't need to do any proving a point. So that is really important for us to look at that and know that we're fine, completely fine. So, we're calmly going to the pharmacy. So that's all we need to do. Or getting some, I don't know, you know what it is, or going to the pharmacy, the agency that needed to give you something special, so they'll, give you a box or something that you needed, or to the picking you up a box of some kind. So it doesn't matter for them. It doesn't harm anything anywhere. So this one builds confidence and community. So we're doing all these that works for you. So this is not about fixing someone else. This is about you being just fine, and the rest that you need to do in your being out there, and right next to your house to go pick up something, or listening to people that came to talk to you for a minute, that kind of stuff. You're fine, and you don't have to fix anything to anywhere for anyone. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I think you will. All right. So I just wanted to remind you that my name is Lisa, and I have my uh, like section for the like. So please help us with that. That works. And so think about that and see if this idea helps for week that we talked a little bit about this. All right. Take care. Bye.